Hi my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about Myanmar food recipes. Shout out to my friend Muku, by the way, who gave me the food that I ordered very fast. Hi Muku, and thank you very much. So number one that I ordered from my friend is this fried catfish. This one. So in Myanmar word is, they call it nga kujo. Is it correct? Sorry about my pronunciation, by the way, my amigos and amigas, because I'm not familiar with it. But this one is a fried catfish in English, okay? But in Myanmar words, they call it nga kujo, this one. So let's try this later, my amigos and amigas. Okay, it's very yummy and delicious. Okay, the second that I ordered from my friend, of course, it's a very delicious and very yummy that I like. And my favorite is the sour leaf. This one, okay, it's very yummy looking. Okay, so let's try this, my amigos and amigas. But before we try it, my amigos, let me give you some facts that I know about this sour leaf. Okay, so sour leaf, by the way, my amigos and amigas, come from the roselle leaves. It's a widely known vegetable from Myanmar, and they come from they come up some many recipe, but the sour leaf is the best of all. Why, my amigos and amigas? Because according to my research, the roselle leaf it's good for people suffering from iron deficiency, and also it's rich in vitamin A, vitamin B1 or thiamine, or vitamin B2 or riboflavin, and a sour spicy dish, and it's also known as a appetite stimulation dish, by the way, or in other words, it's appetizer. So the sour leaf is very good, my amigos and amigas. So let's try it and take a rate of it, okay? Don't worry, my amigos and amigas, I have a rice here, so let's try. Okay, so bear with me, it's like a mukbang, you can call it. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first that I'm going to try is this nga kujo, or in Myanmar words is nga kujo, or in English is fried catfish. This one, okay, you can see. Okay, so let's try it. I got my rice here, by the way. Okay. Yeah, I can taste the rice. I can taste the garlic. And the way they fry it, by the way, the catfish is really good. So this one, we're going to try it again with the garlic and the catfish. Yeah. Very soft, by the way, fried and very soft. And they add a little spicy. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full. Sorry. Even though, wait. garlic. Okay. Yeah, the fried catfish, by the way, my amigos and amigas, the way they cook it is very good. Fully fried, but in the end, you can still taste it, the meat of the catfish. You can still feel it, the soft skin in it, and also they give a little spicy in it. So this one got a spicy, but I can tolerate it because it's so yummy. I cannot even feel that so spicy. I mean, spicy, but a little. I mean, the way they spice it, for me, I can rate it, the spiciness is 5. It's very good. Not that so much spicy. And the garlic is very the best. This one, the garlic is the best. Okay. It's very yummy. Okay. I think you can pair it with rice. You can eat it. Okay. Now let's taste it. The very favorite of mine is the sour leaf. This one, okay. I'm gonna pair it with rice, even though they say no need for rice, but still, I like pairing the sour leaf with rice. Let's start it. They put meat, pork here, and also a little spicy, and I really like it, and it keeps me more and more to eat. Like I told you before, my amigos and amigas, it's appetizer, stimulating this, by the way, because it's really good. I want to eat some more and more and more. So for me, my amigos and amigas, I can eat sour leaf with rice all alone. And my friend said, Muko said that you can pair it with some cucumber in it, but I forgot to buy it at the market. So that's still good, still the best sour leaf. Okay. So eating the sour leaf, my amigos and amigas, I can rate it as 10 out of 10. Why? Because it gives me more and more and more to eat. I really love it. It stimulates your appetite in it. So if you want to, if you don't have appetite, maybe try this sour leaf. It will really give you something inside. So for me, I will like to eat some more. Okay? Sour leaf, or what's that again? Chinbonjo, is it? Okay, Chinbonjo. If my pronunciation is wrong, you can tell me, my amigos and amigas. So this one is the sour leaf and the catfish ngakujo. So this is the 2 Myanmar dish that I tried for today. So thank you very much for watching and joining me here as I eat. So thank you for watching my video, my amigos and amigas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. To subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye, my amigos and amigas. Keep supporting me, and also if you want me to try another food Myanmar and review it, just comment down in the comment section box and feel free to message me in my Instagram too. Bye, my amigos and amigas. Keep supporting me.
A few inches later.
It's really yummy. I cannot help myself, my amigos and amigas, because it's very yummy.
What?
Fried catfish and the sour lips keeps me eat more and more. So bye.